Kumusta ang motherhood, Chris?
Enjoy! Sobrang enjoy. Nakakapagod pero enjoy. Very
Hands-on.
focused, very hands-on talaga ako. And breastfeeding pa rin ako up to this day. She's 2 years old and 4 months. So, still breastfeeding while making a teleserye.
Oo nga. Ano nga ba yung teleserye mo? Sorry.
House of Lies. It's gonna air na on January 19. This month na on GMA. It's an afternoon soap with GMA pa rin, of course.
Pinag-isipan mo rin talaga bago mo tanggapin. Kasi di ba,
Oo,
parang
eh.
demanding.
Yeah, alam naman natin ng taping, di ba? Oras ng taping, working hours, it's more than, ngayon kasi 16 hours na eh, but it's still a long time. And syempre, toddler na rin yung baby ko. I have to focus rin on her kasi syempre, nag-play school na rin siya. So, it's all about balance lang naman.
Ah, talaga?
Mahirap lang talaga kasi breastfeeding pa ako, so hindi pa ako pwede yung mag-overnight kasi yun nga, yung tulog ng baby ko sa akin pa rin. Oo. Pero very exciting kasi after 2 years, this is my comeback. After 2 years of being pregnant and giving birth, this is my first teleserye again.
Oo. So, nag-usap na ba kayo ni Perry kung ilan talagang kids ang gusto nyo?
And ilang kids?
Oo.
Ako, if you'll ask me, I want 3.
Ilan?
3. Gusto ko
3.
3. Pero syempre, kung mabiyayaan pa, go. Sa ngayon kasi, parang since kakapaling ko lang, I wanna focus on work din muna. Gusto ko muna mag-ipon. And then, baby again. And this year, goal naman namin this year to have a second baby din.
Ah, so goal nyo.
Sana, kasi 2 years na rin siya eh. Parang gusto ko na rin sundan sunod-sunod. Para isang pahirapan na lang.
May business ba kayo? Or na ino-open ngayon ikaw?
May restaurant kami in Wilson, in Green Hills, along Wilson.
What's the name?
Kauri.
Japanese?
Kauri Tap Room, along Wilson, Green Hills. Kauri or one. Parang gano'n.
So ano siya? Anong cuisine?
Filipino dishes with a twist. So, parang international, with a international twist din. Masarap yung mga food namin. Invite ko
Oo nga,
kayo.
Papi. Kumusta naman yung daughter mo?
Ito, 2 years
How
na
do you
na.
describe her?
Looks like her daddy.
Oo nga eh.
Ayaw na daw niya usap.
Ayaw na.
Yeah, toddler
Okay,
pa eh.
so cute.
On her toddler stage, kaya makulit pa, ganyan. Then very talkative na din. Then ito na yung stage na ang dami na nakukuha niya na yung ugali, the people around her, mga nakakausap niya, ganyan. So actually very critical yung stage na to eh, kasi yun nga, nakukuha niya na yung behavior ng ibang tao. And nakakapagsalita na.
Oo nga. Oo.
Oh, yung show Maldita nga, show nga Maldita to. Yung show Maldita ka, yung show Maldita? Ay, show mo na Maldita para up na tayo. Show nga Maldita? Ay, ayaw na. Tantrums na.
But she also has a yaya.
She also has a yaya naman. It's just that she's very clingy to me since I'm breastfeeding. And I'm always at home whenever I don't have work. I make sure to stay at home kasi parang pambawi ko yun eh sa kanya. Pag nag-work ako.
So, yung motherhood changed you talaga?
Oo
I mean,
naman. So,
anong mga changes sa'yo ang...
Changes? Well, of course, yung priorities ko nag-change. It's more of the baby now. And of course, feel ko rin mas naging matipid ako because I wanna save more for the baby already. Ayoko na ng... I mean, I used to... Siyempre, before it was all about me, di ba? Pero ngayon, lahat talaga focus na on the baby.
Oo nga.
Saka
Less
very hands-on
luho.
talaga ako. Less luho na. And nag-iipon na talaga ako for her future.
Although, he can provide well naman.
Oo naman. Actually, pwede nga akong hindi mag-work eh. Pero namimiss ako. Hinahanap rin kasi ng katawan ko eh. So at the same time, I wanna have, of course, my own money din naman. So, trabaho din ako.
So, sa tingin mo, important talaga sa babae rin to have their own money?
Importante. Kasi parang sign of ano din yun eh, independence eh. That you can stand on your own. Pag iniwan ka, at least you have your own money. You can, kaya mo buhayin sarili mo and your baby, di ba? It's important naman na you have your own savings talaga.
So, yung relationship mo naman with Perry, naging closer because of the baby?
Oo
Or
naman,
how has it
closer.
changed naman? Oo.
Syempre, mas naging malalim. Mas marami rin ako na-discover na bago about him. I didn't know na ganun siya ka-sweet sa daughter, sa babae, ka-responsible, and ka-all out. He's very all out eh. needs of my baby. And not just to the needs of my baby, but also to my needs. Basta kung ano yung kailangan ko. Ganun. Any support talaga given talaga, binibigyan niya talaga 100%.
So he's really, naging maswerte ka.
Yeah, swerte talaga, teamwork din talaga. At saka, walang complaint. Like, whatever gusto kong bumalik sa trabaho, go. If I have to be out of the house the whole day, go.
Hindi ka nahirapan na maghumingi ng permission kay Perry yung bumalik ka ng showbiz, ganon.
Hindi eh. Kasi parang yun nga, whatever your decision is, parang his game lang. As long as we have the right support din. Like, meron kaming yaya, meron kaming nag-aalaga kapag wala kami. Yun naman yung importante. There's assurance, kumbaga, na there's someone's gonna take care of me while we're away.
Oo.
Parang gano'n. Very supportive lang. Kaya I'm back to work.
Congrats, Chris.
Thank you.
Abangan namin.
Oo nga, House of Lies on January 19 on GMA Afternoon Prime.
Okay, abangan namin. Thank you.